Insta360 has established a strong reputation for producing innovative action cameras, and their upcoming Ace Pro 2 is poised to solidify this position. Although not yet officially launched, leaked details suggest a camera that could revolutionize the action camera market. The camera is rumored to boast significantly improved image and video quality, with higher resolution and better low-light performance. Insta360's renowned stabilization technology is likely to be further refined in the Ace Pro 2, ensuring smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. Versatile shooting modes. Expect a wide range of shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow-motion, and hyperlapse, to capture dynamic and creative content. While specific design details remain undisclosed, the Ace Pro 2 is anticipated to maintain Insta360's signature compact and durable form factor. With these impressive specifications, the Ace Pro 2 has the potential to set a new standard for action cameras, offering users unparalleled capabilities for capturing their adventures. Capture every detail with stunning clarity and sharpness. 8K video at a resolution of 4320p offers a level of detail that's simply unmatched. Want to slow down the action? 8K video also supports slow-motion recording at up to 240 frames per second, FPS. This means you can capture fast-paced action and replay it in slow motion, revealing every nuance and detail. Enjoy vibrant colors and dynamic range. HDR mode enhances your videos by improving the contrast between the brightest and darkest parts of the image. The camera's 50-megapixel sensor is a large-format sensor that captures a lot of detail. This results in images that are sharp, clear, and have a wide dynamic range. The sensor also has a 1.3-inch format, which means that it is larger than the sensors found in most other smartphones. This results in a more realistic and visually appealing in any lighting condition. The camera's 5nm AI chip is a powerful processor that provides advanced image processing capabilities. This allows the camera to take better photos and videos in a variety of situations. For example, the AI chip can help the camera reduce noise in low-light photos, improve the accuracy of its autofocus system, and create more natural-looking bokeh effects. The camera's 2x digital zoom allows you to capture distant subjects without losing too much image quality. The camera's f2.6 aperture is also wider than the apertures found on most other smartphones. This allows more light to enter the camera, resulting in better low-light performance. Overall, the camera is a powerful and versatile device that is capable of taking high-quality photos and videos in a variety of situations. If you're looking for a camera that can do it all, then the camera is a great option to consider. Designed with portability in mind, the Ace Pro 2 boasts a lightweight construction, weighing only 39 pounds. This makes it easy to carry and transport, whether you're heading to the beach, the mountains, or simply commuting to work. Its rugged design ensures durability in challenging environments, with water resistance up to 33 feet, shock resistance from a height of 5 feet, and the ability to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is poised to make a significant impact in the action camera market. Packed with features designed to cater to the needs of adventure enthusiasts and content creators, this camera promises exceptional performance and versatility. One of the standout features of the Ace Pro 2 is its collaboration with Leica. The camera boasts a Leica co-developed sensor, which ensures that captured images and videos are of exceptional quality. The dual AI chips further enhance the camera's capabilities, providing intelligent features that optimize performance and improve overall user experience. Connectivity is a key aspect of modern action cameras, and the Ace Pro 2 excels in this regard. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity allow users to easily share photos, videos, and files with friends and family. Additionally, the micro SD slot provides ample storage space, ensuring that users can capture and store countless memories without running out of room. Based on the leaked specifications, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 appears to be a formidable competitor to established brands like GoPro and DJI. With its impressive video capabilities, powerful sensor, and advanced AI features, it has the potential to redefine what is possible in the action camera market. As we eagerly await its official release, It remains to be seen if the Ace Pro 2 will live up to the hype and become a must-have device for adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike.